Hello, welcome to my new YouTube channel, Step by Step Tutorial 123. This tutorial is for beginners that want to make a video game by using Construct 3 game engine. Let's start to make a simple game. The title is Space Shooter Game. First lesson, how to start a game engine Construct 3. Game engine Construct 3 is very simple. We don't need to download the software. We don't need to install the software into our computer. What we have to do is just open the internet browser, for example Google Chrome, and then we access the website editor.construct.net. Yeah, this is the website of the Construct editor. We have not yet logged in, so we have to register. First, we click the menu here and then project, and after that we click register. And as usual, we input our username, password, email address, and we choose I agree here, and we create account. So hopefully you can try to log in your user ID. So we click this getting start, and after that we launch Construct 3 here. Okay, now we are ready to start our first project. Yeah, please make sure. Okay, so we click new project here. Okay, so the first project is we name it Space Shooter, and we choose the preset is 1080 pixel landscape that will automatically give our viewport size is 1920 by 1080, and the orientation, please choose landscape, and then you click create button. So this is our editor. The first thing that you have to do is you have to rename the layout. This is our layout. Yeah, please rename it, and you give the new name main layout. This main layout will be automatically appear in the properties bar. So this is a properties bar, and this is the project bar. So the next step is you need to insert a new object. Okay. How to insert it? It's simple. Just right click on the main layout. Yeah, remember this is our main layout inside this box, and you choose insert new object here. Insert new object. The computer will display the create new object type window. First, you have to scroll down and you search for the general tab here, and we focus on this object sprite. Yeah, okay, and you choose this sprite and you click insert. So the animation editor's sprite window will appear. So you may load a file that containing whatever image that you want to display. For this example, I choose folder Space Shooter Redux. I don't download it from the internet, so it's up to you. Whatever image that you want to load, this is my image. It's up to you. Whatever image that you want to download. Okay, and we need to resize it. Yeah, by click the resize icon here and change the width from 99 to be 80. Okay, and the pixels of height will automatically adjust it based on the width. So please keep aspect ratio. Yeah, you click this button, okay, and you press OK. It's finished to edit this object, and you close the window. Now it's time for us to play your game. Before you play your game, better you rename our new object sprite to be player 1. How to do that? Simple. Just right click this icon sprite, you choose rename and you type player 1. After you rename this sprite to be player 1, let's start play your game. Click this and you will see as it is. This is our object, but at this moment we cannot move it. Yeah, of course, because we just insert a new object without giving a behavior on this object. Next step is we learn how to save our project. Because we do it online, so we need to save it to our local browser or download a copy to our computer. First, we click menu, and after that, we click Save As, and then we choose Download a copy. Please input name space shooter. So then you already store your working project into your computer. Lesson number 6 is we learn how to close our project. Let's say we already finished for today's study. How to close our project? From menu, we choose project and we close the project. After you close your project, let's try to reload it. Let's say this is for next week lesson. How to load an existing project. So this is your new home page of the editor construct.net. If you want to make a new project, you click this new project. But if you want to load your existing files project, now we click this icon file and you choose your existing project file. So after you load the existing project, yeah, you will see your last project here. You have a main layout and also you have object player 1. Yeah, it should be object player 1. Yeah, and you see here we have start page here and also event sheet 1 here. So we will focus on this. Okay. First, you click the main layout icon. So this is your main layout icon. Okay, yeah, main layout here. So you click the object. What we want to do is we learn how to add movement control the object player 1. So it means when we press arrow to the left, arrow right, arrow up, arrow button down, so this space object, player 1 object, will be moved according to our arrow key pressed. So first thing that we have to do is we gently click the object and we focus on the left side here. Yeah, we have to make sure the object name is player 1 chosen, and then we click behaviors here. Yeah, we add behavior. So this is our window player 1 behaviors. First, we click add new behavior.
and the add behavior window will be appear, and we choose movement 8 directions. Please choose this and then you press add. After you press add, you see this is our player 1 behavior window. It's already appear 8 direction. Okay, you close this window and you play your game. Please observe what behavior of the object player 1 when you press arrow left, right, up, and button.
Hey, my object player 1 moves like crazy. When I press arrow left, so it's spinning. Yeah, how to solve it? It's easy. Just click the object player 1 here, and please focus on the properties bar here, and you will see the behavior properties settings. So you change the set angle to be no. Yeah. And after that, you play again your game and try to move it by pressing left arrow, right arrow, bottom arrow, and up arrow. And you will see what's the difference. Yeah, what's the difference when you set the angle to be no. Okay, after you try it, I give you exercise. Yeah, try to change the property of 8 direction behaviors. You change the property maximum speed from 100 to be 400, and you play your game and you observe the result. What's the difference? And after that, you repeat, yeah, step number 2 by changing the value of directions. Yeah, the value of directions. The default value is 8 directions. Change it to the other value, and you observe what's the difference, what's the effect when you change the parameter of 8 directions behavior. Okay, please try this exercise. Yeah, this is end of tutorial construct tree for beginner, step-by-step tutorial how to make a space shooter game part 1. In this part 1, we have already discussed first how to register at editor website. Number 2, how to log in. Number 3, layout. Number 4, insert new object, player 1. Number 5, add behavior, add direction into object player 1. And number 6, we configure behaviors parameter of object player 1. If you remember, we set the angle of the object player 1 so it will move smoothly. Okay, that's tutorial part 1. So if you interest, you may continue to tutorial part number 2. See you again. Bye.